Hey guys, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady of dark whimsical art, and today we're at round one. Woo! Hey guys, when you come in, you want to get one of these cards, and then you gotta come to this machine and put money on it. The more you put, like we just put 110, that way we get the most credits, because you're gonna need all of it. They got a lot of the big chin stuff in, which was a thing the last time we were in Japan back in 2019. It's made its way here. More big chin stuff. It's everywhere. Gotta win a Pac-Man. Looks like they got a lot more game machines in here than they had before. They're everywhere. Wizard of Oz, we're gonna have to check and see if any of the machines have Toto in it. If you don't see a Toto, it's not really worth doing. But if there is a Toto, you should go all out. You're gonna get a ton of tickets. Haven't found a Toto yet. Last machine. Those look like Dragon Balls. I think they are. Check this out. This is new. I don't think they had this before. It's ice cream. So we might have to try this one out. I think it's, do you win it or do you just buy it? Guess we'll find out. We won already and he won a cute one. Oh. They got restrooms here, of course. So when my husband gets back, I'll go check it out, see if they keep it clean or not. I say it is very clean. Of course, we are here at opening before anyone is here. So, let's see. Dun, dun, dun. It's clean. Awesome. He was looking for Toto too. Spooky loves this drop game. I never have much luck on it. This one's new and looks like fun. We'll have to give that one a try. Ghost Town. We got Dance Dance Revolution and the new one, which we have not tried yet. We have no idea how to play this, but it looks cool. Yeah, just like Japan. I can't read it. Ah! We got Project Diva. Here's a new game. You gotta get the light. You get the light in the middle and it moves the item. We're gonna get her. Almost. It might fall. Woo! We got her! Yay, Poopy! Awesome! I think he's gonna try for this one now. So the lights on the second one were much faster. I think that's so this one you can't win. That one's up so you can. This one's up so you can't. That way they make some money. Pookie's gonna go for the Halo figure. It's a claw. No, you got it. Well, it's going around it anyway. Oh, it lifts it. that's promising. It might take a couple times though. It might be out of reach now though. Oh, so close. Well, you should be able to get it now. There we go. Yay! Pookie got it. His hands are full. That one's cute. So we're gonna look to see what we can win tickets. What cute stuff can we find? Oh, Logan really like that. Sonic. Ooh, creepy monkey. We got some Animal Crossing stuff down there. Interesting. Oh, I can get me a new hat. Should I get Pikachu again? Maybe a Snorlax. Jigglypuff. Gengar. Oh yeah. That's cool. Got him too. Some of those shirts I've already got. Kiki! Cool. Feel it.
Lunchbox.
Oh! Got them on it. They're always cool. Get me another purse. Not that I need another one. I already have that. Well, I got a brown one. Oh, here's a hat. I want something cuter. I don't get clear folders, but this one's cute. Rock and roll, kitty. Cute. Maybe we'll win him. Oh, Boogie's making a mess. Oh, cute little sushi dog. And he's got a butt. You always gotta have a butt. This is what Boogie wants. He opens it with its butt. Alright, have to go up there and win all those tickets to get all this stuff. I don't see a golden ticket in there yet, but maybe one, if we're lucky, will drop out. But dang, look how many cards are in there. A ton of them. This one has a lot of cards in it too. Yay, I just won me this cute little Hello Kitty. Woo, took me about 3 times, not bad. Pookie won this monkey. There, you can see him in there better. This game, you use this to pick up these balls. And you gotta try to get your ball where the yellow spot is. Of course, that's where it drops, and so it always bounces away. But, as you can see, sometimes you get lucky. We already won this guy. We're trying to win another one. We'll probably give it to our niece if we do win. But this one's proving to be more expensive than the first one was. We've both tried, and we still... Uh-oh! I knocked the bowl over. Still haven't gotten it. We're gonna run out of balls soon. So this is new. They have these in Japan. They're pretty fun. You don't win anything in Japan when you win. I'm not sure if you do here or not. it says redeem cards. Okay, so you redeem cards. But yeah, these are fun. You see them a lot in pachinko places. Give it a try. Nothing yet. Things happening. I don't know what. Get a whole bunch of balls. Woot. Do I get anything? Oh. I don't think anything fun happened. Poopy's playing it too. He'll shoot a lot more than I do though. Good luck! 3 shot. That's what I got. Actually, I think I got 5. Let's go! You got it again. Look how concentrated he is. So serious. Game. Oh, played on the wrong side. I guess I got tickets. There he goes. Playing his drop game. Ball bounce. I never get a good win on this, but for some reason he does. 60, 150. Go in, ball. Drop bonus. Ooh, it's good and it's bad because balls fell. That's good. And go in, ball. 250, 250. Yay, 250. Taking the stuffy hoard out. If you can see. Yep. I feel like it's harder to win than it used to be. At least the ticket games. What do you think? No? Baby, I'm just having incredibly bad luck. I can't seem to win more than 20 tickets. Of course you did. Of course you did. Time for a beer and a snack. If it's open, we might get distracted along the way. You can get food and ice cream. They also have a bar here if you want beer. I don't know if you can get other stuff. It looks like you might be able to get other stuff. You order from this kiosk, so you don't have to interact with any people. There's the stuff you can order. Don't order too much though, because we still gotta eat dinner at Cheesecake Factory. For those of you interested in alcohol, they got a selection. Cookie got his beer. They still have sanitizer on the table if you're concerned about that. Cookie is sanitizing, and so will I. I don't think you're required to wear masks or anything here. I'm wearing one though. There are a lot of unvaccinated children in here, so I'm wearing a mask. I just saw in an ad that went by that they got shaka shaka fries like McDonald's does in Japan. It's where you put the fries in the bag, you put a seasoning on it, and you just shake, 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 shake. So they have that here. That's cool. think our food might be here. Our order is here. So we'll find out if it's as good as it was a year ago. A year ago we thought they were pretty decent. Hopefully they still are. Is it still good? It just came out of the fryer. It's super hot, so I'm probably going to burn myself. Doesn't look like it has any flavoring on it. Guess let's find out. I'm gonna put ranch. Help cool it down a little bit. It's still good. Nice and hot, crispy. Yummy, yummy. So the food is still as good as last year. The wings are pretty good. That's all we've ever had. At some point we should probably try something else, but yep, still good. Check it out. We got an Aquaman. He's one of the hard ones to get, so we can at least get one whole set. Go, Cookie, go! Alright, so we got to get ice cream. I think I'm gonna get cookie dough. So stick your money in. It doesn't take the player card, so you gotta use money. And I'm gonna push the button. I guess. Where's the button? Oh, okay. This thing. Ah, I'm a dummy. B2. Alright. Oh, there it goes. It's opening. This thing will go and get it. Whoop. It's looking for it. There it goes. I guess it's using suction to pull it out. At least you're guaranteed to get an ice cream. It's kind of small though for $5. But I guess it's fun to watch the robot work. There we go. It's a little melty. Yeah. Cookies and cream. Yum. There's our pile of stuff. We gotta win 200 tickets to get the last thing that we want. And then I guess maybe we'll be going to IKEA? I don't know. It's not dinner time yet. He is on a mission to get our last 200 points. Look at him go! It's a lot busier now. He has chosen the ball drop. Wouldn't it be funny if he ends up winning the 3,000? Then we gotta figure out how to spend the 3,000. Go in! 80. Here's the bowling area. It looks pretty cool. It's all lit up and stuff. The ball was stuck. Now we get 2 balls. 2 balls. Pookie broke it. He had to switch machines. I would say our haul wasn't as good as usual because we got obsessed with winning a Aquaman. He was in there, but he wasn't moving. We would have got 5,000 tickets. I think we got everything in there we would have wanted anyway, so I guess we didn't really need 5,000 tickets, but still would have been cool. Guess we're going to IKEA now. Never been there before. Should be cool.